Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the camera can output a network stream, typically RTSP or ONVIF, because that stream is what your PC will consume. Once done, put the camera and the computer on the same network. Wired is better for latency. Next, install OBS and the virtual webcam plugin so your PC can expose a webcam device. You do this now so later steps focus on linking the live stream, not troubleshooting basic connectivity, which saves time and prevents mismatch errors. Now you ingest the stream into OBS, add a media source and paste the camera's RTSP URL, including user and password when needed, because authentication prevents blank feeds. After that, set the output resolution and frames per second. Choose lower bitrate and a 16:9 aspect ratio for consistent streaming. Then adjust buffering and latency settings so video doesn't stutter. Finally, attach audio, either the camera's mic or a separate input, and use OBS sync tools to align sound and picture. Finish by starting the OBS virtual camera so the stream appears as a selectable webcam in your meeting app. Choose it in Settings and verify Preview. Once done, optimize performance by reducing bitrate or resolution and prefer wired connections to minimize packet loss. Make sure to secure the feed with a strong password. If you get no image, check the firewall rules, confirm the RTSP URL and credentials, update camera firmware, and try plugging the camera directly with Ethernet. That usually resolves most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.